Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to set photo as a watch face on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to open the Galaxy Wearable application and here go to the tab which is named Watch Faces. Then scroll down until you'll find a tab which is named Photos. Here's it how it looks, and here we have two options, which is Photos and Photo Sticker. Let's choose the first one. Click on the first one to install it, and then, as you can see, it immediately installed on my watch. But how do we add our custom photos? For that, we would need to go back to this main menu and click on our current watch face. Here, click on this blue button Customize, and then go to this tab named Background. As a first step, choose the picture source, which can be pictures or album, and then click on this plus. Choose Gallery or Camera, and here you'd be able to choose up to 20 photos that you would like to add as a watch face. If you will add only one photo, it will be shown on your watch all the time, and if it will be 20 photos, they will be shown as a slideshow. So for example, let me choose one of these photos, for example this flower, and click done. As a next step, we would need to set the zoom for this photo, how zoomed in we would like to see it on our watch, and also here you'll be able to make some changes with these filters. After you are done, click this button down and then click save. And in few whiles, this photo will be applied on your watch. You can also see it, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.